Botanical embroidery turns a mother of the bride dress into living art. Leaves, petals, and vines stitched with care create depth, movement, and grace under light. These designs honor nature without stealing the spotlight from the couple. The right pattern flatters shape and feels timeless on photos and video. Like, share, and subscribe. Start with the design language. Botanical embroidery means stitched leaves, flowers, stems, or vines forming organic motifs over fabric. Choose techniques like fine threadwork, appliqué petals, or subtle bead accents for light reflection. Keep placement strategic, across bodice, climbing side panels, or hem borders. Select fabric that supports stitching and movement. Tulle and organza hold raised petals well. Chiffon flows softly under light beadwork. Mikado and satin create structure for bold vines. Crepe offers modern drape with comfort. Check lining quality. Smooth linings prevent scratchy backs. Add gentle stretch panels for hugging without squeeze. Choose colors that harmonize with the wedding palette and lighting. Botanical themes thrive in sage, dusty rose, champagne, slate, midnight, or soft gold. Embroidery threads can shift tone: green stems, ivory petals, or metallic highlights. Keep contrast readable from a distance without clashing with bridesmaids. Lock fit early. Botanical embroidery needs smooth surfaces, so proper tailoring stops puckering and pulls. Secure supportive underpinnings. Built-in cups, stable straps, or structured bodices. Check zipper strength where stitching is dense. Do a movement test. Sit, reach, step, lift arms. Hem for chosen heels, not backup pairs. Match accessories to the garden story without crowding the dress. Choose refined earrings or a slim bracelet. Skip bulky necklaces near dense bodice stitching. Carry a structured clutch with smooth surfaces that will not snag threads. Shoes in nude, metallic, or dress color maintain a continuous line. Add a light wrap for ceremony drafts. Protect the embroidery before and during the day. Store the dress in a breathable garment bag with padded hangers. Transport with room so beads and petals do not crush. Use a handheld steamer, not a hot iron, over stitched areas. Keep a small kit: mini scissors, clear thread, needle, lint roller, and stain wipes. Botanical embroidered dresses give mothers artistry, texture, and dignity on a milestone day. Clean silhouettes, smart fabric choices, and disciplined accessories keep the focus elegant from aisle to dance floor. Maintain comfort, coordination, and care for lasting beauty in photos and memory. Amazon affiliate links are listed in the description below. I earn a small commission while you pay no extra cost.